हेलो बच्चों, गुड मॉर्निंग। स्वागत है आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर। आज हम लेकर आए हैं आपके लिए न्यू टॉपिक। इट इज़ योर ग्रेविटेशन फॉर नीट एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी डिस्कस दैट व्हाट कंटेंट्स वी आर कंसिडरिंग हियर इन योर ग्रेविटेशन। एक एक टॉपिक को हम यहाँ पर डिटेल में डिस्कशन करेंगे विद द न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम्स। सो एक बार हम डिस्कस कर लेते हैं कि व्हाट टॉपिक्स, कौन कौन से टॉपिक हमें इस चैप्टर में डिस्कस करने हैं। देन आफ्टर वी विल डिस्कस दी ईच टॉपिक सेपरेटली विद देयर न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम, simple example problems, then their previous year questions problem. So your first topic is your Newton's law of gravitation. It is also known as universal law of gravitation. This is the important thing. Then after, next topic, gravitational field and its intensity. Then again, acceleration due to gravity. It is also important topic. Gravitational potential energy, gravitational potential, escape velocity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. These fifth topic are separate, and then after this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 topic are separate. So this escape velocity, escape energy, Kepler's law of planetary motion, satellite motion, geostationary satellite, polar satellite, and weightlessness. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These topics are the second part of our gravitation. Okay, so now we will start our chapter gravitation. First topic, Newton's law of gravitation. Now in gravitation we will start first topic. First topic is what? Your first topic is Newton's law of gravitation. Newton's law of gravitation. It is also known as universal law of gravitation. So according to this law, every object or every particle in this universe attracts every other particle with a force. That force is known as gravitational force. Now we will explain it. If this is your object 1 having mass m1, this is your object 2 having mass m2. When these two objects are placed at some definite distance small r, then according to the Newton's law of gravitation, they attract each other with a force which is known as gravitational force. Like this is your F12 vector, this is your F21 vectors. This is a line on which your gravitational force is acting. This is your object A, this is your object B. Now come to the point. According to the Newton's law of gravitation or universal law of gravitation, this force acting between these two particles is directly proportional to the product of their masses. Masses means m1 and m2, and it is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Then it is your equation number 1, it is your equation number 2. When we combine these two equations, then we get F is directly proportional to m1 m2 upon r square. Now what we do, we remove this proportionality sign. When we remove this proportionality sign, then we get the formula F will be equals to G m1 m2 upon r square. This is the formula for gravitational force. Now what is G here? Here G is the gravitational constant and its value is equals to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton into meter square per kg square. Now, what is the important thing? Important thing is the direction of this force. Direction of this force is along the line joining the objects. Means these are two objects and direction of this force is along the line joining the two objects. That's why this force is a central force. Okay, clear? Now we will discuss the vector